Today I'm going to be telling you how to connect your Wi-Fi Pineapple Nano up to your Kali Linux machine so that you can run Bettercap and man in the middle any clients connected to your Wi-Fi Pineapple. Doing it this way, we're basically just using the Nano as an access point for the clients, and then all the attacks will take place on the Kali Linux machine itself rather than on the Pineapple. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download a script from the Hack5 GitHub. That's where you need to go. So it's github.com/hack5darren/WP6. So if you clone, download, however you want to do it, download that. And basically once you've got that, it is just a case of running the script. You will have to, before I actually continue, don't forget you will have to make it executable. So if you're not sure how to do it, chmod plus X and then WP6, the name of your script. I've already done it, so once you do that, it will be executable. Once it's executable, just run the script, and this is what will load. On your first time setting this up, you will use the guided setup, manual setup if you want. You will need to know what your default gateway is. So if we do root tack-in, my default gateway, as you can see there, is 192.168.0.1. Right, so we will go to guided setup. It will ask you what your default gateway is. If it's correct, that's fine. Just click yes. Yes. It will ask you what interface you're currently connected to the internet with via your laptop. So this is not what if there's an aerial on your Wi-Fi Pineapple that's connected to the internet. This is what interface you're using on your laptop to connect to the internet. So I am using, if we just check, there we go, SLAN 1, there you go. I'm using wireless LAN 0. So yes, that's correct. It will now ask you to connect your Pineapple or your Nano. Now to do this, you need the cable that comes with it, which has the 2 male USB ends and the 1 female USB end. You plug that directly into the Nano and it will start detecting it. And bear in mind, I am connected to the internet currently. I'm on my home network, home 5G. This here Ethernet connecting is the Ethernet adapter that the Nano is connecting. It basically converts it to an Ethernet interface. So yes, your Pineapple is on Ethernet 1. That's fine. Okay, once that's done, it says there, right, you are now sharing the internet connection from WLAN 0, which is connected to my home network, to the Wi-Fi Pineapple at Ethernet 1 port through the default gateway of 192.168.0.1. That's fine. So from there we can just press C. There we go, it's connected. That there shows it is connected. If it hasn't connected, or if you do have a problem, you will get an error here. 9 times out of 10 it is to do with the default gateway, so make sure that your default gateway is correct. If you're using a virtual machine, good luck. This is not a virtual machine, so okay, right, so now we are connected. So basically what we need to do now is go to the browser and navigate to this address. So 172.168.16, sorry, 0.42.1, 1471. Right, so this will bring you to your Pineapple interface where you have to log in. Now remember, we're not connecting to the internet via the Nano. The Nano is not connecting to the internet. If you go to networking here, you'll see my Nano is not connected. It's not connected to my internet via its client mode, which if you're using it out in the wild or away from your laptop, you will 9 times out of 10, if you're not connecting via an Android device, you will connect via Wi-Fi client to a wireless access point near to you, so that any clients that connect to your Nano can also get internet access. But we're not connected via the Nano to the internet. We're connected from the Nano to my laptop, and the laptop is connected to the internet. So on here I've set up a free open SSID or free open access point called free guest Wi-Fi. Don't worry about this. So that's set up on the Nano now. The Nano, in order to check that the Nano actually has internet connection, if you go back to the dashboard, load bulletins from WiFi Pineapple.com, the bulletins load, so the Nano has internet via my laptop, which is perfect. So you can see here we have no clients connected. So what we're going to do now is bring up another terminal. We're going to run Bettercap, tac X, tac capital I. Here you must use the interface name of your Nano, not your wireless. It's the interface name of your Nano, so it's ETH1. In my case, your case it may be different. Then, in order for this to work, you will have to set the gateway. Well, I'm going to show you actually what happens when you don't. So, Bettercap X1. Okay, we'll run that as is. This is what will happen. It will error. Couldn't determine route to MAC. This is the error you get if you do not specify the default gateway as being the Nano itself. You will get this error. So in order to correct that, we do tac capital G, specify the default gateway as the Nano. So it's 172.16.42.1. That's fine. Right, it's now targeting the entire subnet of the Nano 16.42.0 through 16.42.255. So that is the subnet for the Nano's network basically. So if I go on my Android now and I connect to free home Wi-Fi, you want to see it. Let's turn my Wi-Fi back on. Right, free guest Wi-Fi. There you go, it's connected to free guest Wi-Fi. As you can see here, we've already got some activity going on. That's the device I'm using, Huawei Technologies. I'm using a Nexus 6P. MAC address, IP address given to me via the Nano. Up here you can see connected clients, IP address given to me via the Nano, and the host name Android. Okay, so remember, let's go back to Bettercap. The way this is set up at the moment is usually when you use your Wi-Fi Pineapple, your Nano, excuse me, you'll have your Nano set up separately away from your laptop, and your Nano will be spoofing an access point. Clients will be connecting to it. Then you'll be using one of the interface connections on your Nano to connect wirelessly to an access point that's in or around you. In order to offer your clients internet access, which is fine, that works perfect. Or you're doing it via an Android where you've got an Android plugged into the bottom of the Nano and you're offering internet via your Android. That's absolutely fine. The only problem being with that is the tools you're going to be limited to whatever they have here. So you can still do Recon, and you can still do some modules that you can download, so you can use any of these modules. Or you can SSH into your Nano and you can use some tools via there. But doing it this way enables you to just use your Nano as an access point, route it through your laptop then becomes the man in the middle device, and your laptop's connected to the internet. So any tools that you have on your operating system you can use, which is much better. So you can imagine the possibilities. But yeah, that's simple enough. Just remember, you have to set the default gateway as the Nano, otherwise it will not work. So just remember that. You've got to put tac G and your Nano's address. So that's it from me, and hope this helped. See you soon.